Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing this brown smoky eye and this very glowy skin. So if you're interested on seeing how I got this look, please keep on watching. To start off this look, I'm gonna be using the 35O palette from Morphe, which is this one over here. I'm gonna start using this light matte shade over here to set my concealer. I'm applying it all over my lid so my concealer doesn't crease. Now I'm gonna use this transition shade on my crease. I'm gonna use this color as my transition shade and to add dimension to my eyes. Now I'm using this darker brown shade to darken up a little bit more the crease, just to start creating that ombre effect for the brown smoky eye. Gonna blend it out in the exact same place that I applied the first shade. Now I'm gonna be applying this reddish type of brown. I'm gonna apply it in the same place as the other ones. Again, just creating that ombre effect for the smoky eye. Now I'm gonna start applying an even darker brown. I'm gonna start applying it all over my lid to blend it out with all the other browns that I already applied, and just to make the eye look even more smoky. For my liner today, I'm going to be using the Ciate London liner, and I'm going to do a little line close to my lash line, so whenever I apply the falsies, everything will look blend out and there won't be any gaps between my eyelashes and the falsies. For primer, I'm going to be using the Tone Adjusting Face Primer from e.l.f. I'm going to apply it all over my face to prevent my redness to come through whenever I apply my foundation, and for everything to look very smooth. Now for foundation, I'm going to be using my Milani Conceal Plus Perfect, and I'm going to blend it out with my beauty sponge from Real Techniques. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Light. And I'm going to apply it under my eyes and everywhere that I want to highlight my face, which will be my chin, my cupid's bow, my nose, and my forehead. I'm going to apply a darker shade from the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer to contour my face, which I'm applying in my forehead, my cheeks, and my nose. To set my concealer, I'm using the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. I'm going to apply it wherever I applied my concealer, just to make sure that it doesn't crease throughout the day. blush, I'm using the Tarte Amazonian Clay blush in the shade Party. I'm going to apply it on my cheeks and a little bit on my nose. To bronze today, I'm going to be using the Alexis Ren in ColourPop Face Duo. And I'm going to use the shade Golden Moment from the Topaz palette. I'm going to bronze up my face with it. I know that this one is no longer on sale, but I love this one. You can use whatever bronzer you like or whatever bronzer you have. So just don't worry about it. Just get like a warm tone type of bronzer and you will get the same effect as I get with this one from ColourPop. Now, so I can smoke out my lower lash line, I'm gonna start applying the same shades that I apply on my upper lid, just to give that smoky effect in the lower lash line. For highlight, I'm gonna start using my Tim 2 and BoxyCharm liquid highlight. Using this first, so whenever I apply my regular highlight, it will make it pop even more. You will see in a little bit that it looks even more blinding. Now I'm gonna start applying my Rodeo Drive highlight from Ofra wherever I apply my liquid highlight, which it will be my cheeks, nose, cupid's bow, chin, inner corner, brow bone, and a little bit on the forehead. And as you can see, it looks very blinding and almost like it's wet. It looks very shiny because we applied the liquid highlight from Tim 2 first. I like how it looks. It looks like you're glowing from within. For my bottom lashes, I'm going to be using my Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal. I'm going to apply a little bit on them so it doesn't look bad, since I did smoke out the lower lash line. To set my makeup, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Mist and Setting Spray. So everything is in place and it lasts the whole day long. For my lip liner, I'm using my Jordana lip liner in Dark Cocoa. Now I'm going to use this ColourPop liquid lip in the shade Naughty. I'm going to apply it all over my lips. So yes guys, is the final result. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I love you all so much, and thank you for watching.